So I got a new 2-gallon stock pot, and I got an old solar shower hose, so I don't have to just use it for solar. I can heat it up over the fire like this. As I'm done, and I'm gonna be cleaning with my sheep's whey, my sheep's milk's whey. I'll be using one of my clean cheesecloths to scrub with. I'm dipping it in the whey, and I'm gonna hang my shower on this hook. Let's do it. I got it bent around. Stick it down in the water. I got my little showering head here, and to start it off, I'll just siphon it. I gotta take out my paints first. Woohoo! Shower! Oh my god! Fuck! It's hot! Oh my god, it feels so good, it's so hot. Oh. Oh, my hair is so happy. My head is happy. Being clean. I'll have to pour the other half gallon in now. I'm gonna thoroughly wash off though. And then the last half gallon will be just for rinsing. That's nice. It's long enough I'm going to be able to do this. And not only dry my back, but clean my back. Nice. Perfect temperature. Yes! I can actually feel my skin clean now. It doesn't have like a layer of filth on it.